product that I have been trying. It's from Shea Moisture. It's their Intense Hydration line. I'm not even going to attempt to say these names on here. I'm not even going to pretend I know how to say it. It also has a lot of the no's that a lot of people look for. No paraffin, no sulfates, no, on here. It does have a light, I'm going to say tropical smell. It smells very nice, it's light, but if you're one of those that, like me, I want to keep smelling the nice smell from the shampoo and conditioner in my hair throughout the day, this is not going to be it. I usually, because I have long hair, I shower at night, and in the morning, you know, it'll be nice and dry, so it dries naturally, and the smell is usually gone by then. There are some that it'll last until the next day, way into the day, so that's what I like. I like to keep smelling it. This is a 13-ounce bottle, and you can get it at Target for $10. It's $9.99, as well as their conditioner. The conditioner comes with a pump. I really like the pump. This one just has the regular little pop and pour kind of thing. Sometimes you can see this at Target on sale. You buy one, get the other one half off, which is what I did. I purchased this one at full price and got this one half off, as well as got an extra 5% off with my cartwheel from Target. I used these for 2 weeks and my hair didn't get any better. So I ended up purchasing their hair mask. But, you know, and it has a lot of the no. This one is a 12-ounce, and it is a really nice thick cream, has the same scent. I tried hoping that it would kind of tame my hair, because usually when I try something new, for the first 3 to 4 days, it's going to be like this, out of control and really out there. But after 2 weeks, when I didn't see any results, that's when I went ahead and got this one. And I tried to use it in different ways, because this hair mask has to stay in your hair for 5 minutes, and then you rinse it out. So you're gonna, you know, wash your hair like you normally would, and then you use this. So I tried, you know, A, B, and C, and it did not work. So my hair was still really out there. So then I tried to eliminate the conditioner and just use these two, and it still didn't do anything. I tried to use a little bit at first, because if I use too much, my hair ends up looking really oily when it dries, and it's really soft. It feels silky soft then, but it tends to be really oily. So I was really careful not to use too much of this, because this is pretty thick. When I didn't see the result I wanted, I used more, still using just these two. I used more, and I let it stay in there longer than the 5 minutes. I tried it with 10 and then 15 minutes, and it still didn't do anything. I, you know, even tried using a little bit more than what I had used, and I still ended up with my hair looking like this. I tried using all three and still increasing the time from 5 to 10 minutes, thinking with a double, right here I figured double conditioner would really do my hair, and it didn't. I have had people asking what was I doing in my hair, because my hair looks so dull. So I told them that I was doing a review for a hairline product that I will not be repurchasing, and I'm not even going to finish this product, because I'll use it for the, you know, the month to do a nice review, an honest review, and if I don't see any nice benefit, then I'm going to go ahead and quit it. I'm not going to keep hurting my hair. I usually use Nexus. I really like it. It's a nice smell. I'm sure all of their lines are great. I like it a lot, so I'm going to be going back to that shortly. I started using this because in my last video I tried a hair product so that it would be nice and full. It was a volume. My hair tends to be very straight and flat, so I thought I would give it a shot. This is a different brand. It had really good reviews. It had 4 out of 5 stars, so I thought I'd give it a shot, but it kind of did the same thing. This one, so I thought this would be better because it says intense moisture. Intense hydration, which is the moisture. And I thought this is bound to really fix the last mess, and it did not. So there is another hair product that I'm going to try before I go back to my usual shampoo. It's by Pantene. It's Dream Care, I believe. And I'm going to try that, and then I'll go back to my usual. I don't like to do too many shampoo reviews or anything because I'm not the type that keeps switching shampoos because I think it might harm my hair in doing it. And I'm one of those that you curl it and before you go out the door, the curls have already fallen. So I don't really do any of those. I used to curl it, but I got tired. You spend an hour, I got long hair, you spend an hour curling it and putting the spray and the mousse or the gel or whatever in there, and it wouldn't stay. And then the rest of the day my hair would look ugly because you still have all that product in, but now the curls are gone. So I quit doing that and I just leave it natural. Just brush it and let's go. And with doing these last 3 products that I have done, it's not that way. I have to spend extra time to get this to go down. So I'll probably do this last one with Pantene and then go back to my usual one for a little while. And then I can show you many of you all who have seen the videos probably know what it looks like when it's not going crazy. So I hope this helps someone with their hair. There again, like I said, if you've got scalp psoriasis, this one might be for you because of all the no-no-nos. I hope maybe it'll help somebody else, but it did not help my hair. I have very fine hair and no volume at all. So, oh, and by the way, this one was $11.99 at Target. I don't think I told you all that. So it was $9.99, $9.99, and $11.99. They have other hair products, but I'm not going to try those. Just because if this one didn't do it, I don't think the others that they have are going to do it either. I did have someone ask if I would try the Yes to Carrots. I'm not sure if I'm going to do that. I'll have to see. It's either going to be the Yes to Carrots or the Pantene Dream Care is what I'm going to do next before I go back to my usual. So I hope this helps someone. I hope someone will get some benefit out of it, and it will do great for someone's hair because just like your smile is like an accessory, so is your hair. The way your hair looks, it has some sort of reflection of you, and you want to look great from head to toe when you step out for your job, a job interview, to go meet that special someone, and so your hair is part of that. And whether your hair is straight, curly, full, blonde, brown, black, red, it's all beautiful. You just have to find the right product that's great for you. And for me, this one wasn't it, but maybe it will be for you. Well, I hope this helps someone out there. Just remember, if no one has told you you are loved, you are wonderful, and you inspire someone every day. Be blessed. Thank you for watching. Bye.